Good morning, students. Today we will study about our chapter number 5, our national goals. Achievement of national goals. Our first question is, what are national goals? As a man makes efforts to achieve certain goals he has set in life. Likewise, the country also has some goals to achieve these. The country has to perform. The progress and prosperity of a country lies in achieving these national goals. The government makes law to achieve these national goals to make administration perfect and strong. India is a democratic country and our national goals are democracy, national unity, freedom, equality, social harmony and international peace and cooperation. Achievement of national goals. We have to achieve our national goals democratically. In our country, democratic government has been established according to the Indian Constitution. In this process, the government is elected by the people. Now, our second topic is democracy. Democracy actually means every citizen should have equal rights and freedom. All the sections of the society should get equal opportunity to make progress without any discrimination. In a democracy system, it is the people who play key role. It is the duty of citizens to elect an ideal government. Every citizen should be aware of his duty so that government can work in the interest of the people. We can say in the simply words, democracy. In a democracy, people have the power to choose their leaders. They can take part in the process of governments directly or through their elect representatives. According to Abraham Lincoln, the famous US president, democracy is a rule of government of the people, by the people and for the people. And we understand this topic by simple words. Democracy means a system of governments where people's welfare is most important. Students, our second topic is freedom. Freedom. The state builds the atmosphere and creates conditions where people can develop themselves. A person needs freedom to develop his personality, being a citizen of the state. There are three types of freedom: economic freedom, political freedom and religious freedom. Now, we discuss the kinds of freedom. Right of freedom. Freedom to speech and expression. Freedom to assemble peacefully without arms. Freedom to form association and units. Freedom to live and settle in any part of India. Freedom to take up any job or trade anywhere in India. All the citizens of India have full freedom to express their ideas. Speech, its powerful means. They can express their ideas through the newspaper and the radio, the television, the planning, the paintings and etc.